Robert Graber to the rescue with dozens of donuts. He is the man. Robert, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Look at those donuts. What do you have in that bag?
Breakfast burrito.
Yum. Who made those?
Awesome breakfast burritos. Look at that baby.
Let's see that.
Ooh, doggy.
Oh my God. Who made those, man?
Yeah.
Some guy named Phil. He did a good job.
All right, let's get to it. Let's catch some fish. Thanks for being here. Bums catching anything?
I just got here. That guy over there got a yellowfin cobra.
Really? Who? Good morning, everybody.
Morning, Phil.
How's it going?
Good. What's up, Friedman family?
Good to see you. Hey, good morning.
Beautiful day.
It's gorgeous. A little breezy, huh?
Catalina over there.
Yeah, I'll tell you, yeah.
He's got a picture of it, so.
Oh, cool. Good morning. Hey, Daryl. Woo! Anybody want a breakfast burrito? Hey! I hear you guys already caught something. What's up, you guys?
What up?
John Karma, I saw you in a video last night.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I still gotta watch it.
with Phil Friedman, man. Who's this guy?
That's my nephew, Kyler.
Kyler, what's up? Ooh, this water's cold. Oh, what's up with that, man?
I don't know.
Come on, fishies bite. Did you guys get something?
Dan put him on one.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
Yeah, yellowfin croaker.
Love it. And I bring you good luck on the fishing. How are the breakfast burritos?
Good.
Good, that's it?
Great.
Robert Graber. We need some fishing. Oh, nice going. You got Michael on a fish?
I think it's all the way to Catalina. You got a lot of reeling to do, bud.
Hopefully it's a spot fin or hopefully, who cares?
Yeah,
It's a fish, right?
Michael should have a fish on.
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah, we got a little fish. Keep going.
Oh,
keep going.
yes.
Keep going.
Nice going.
Right.
We'll take that.
It's a baby corbina.
Corbina, I think,
Yeah,
right?
it's a baby corbina.
Nice.
Right on.
We'll take that.
Woo. Up, Mike. Dude, a little baby hit like a tank. Like
Did
a
it?
Train, yeah. Maybe it was Mama chasing us out of there. Dude, Michael's got him.
Nice going, boys.
You can't get skunked with Michael's around. That's for
Woo!
sure.
Good job,
Ooh,
Michael.
Nice corbina, dude.
Woo!
Right on.
Everybody's gathering around to see this giant leopard shark.
Tiny.
Oh, it's a tiny little baby leopard shark.
Catch that little guy.
Woo!
Got him. Got the muscles to reel that in, don't you? But kiss it. Yeah, first time you ever kissed a shark.
We need the pliers, we need the pliers. Oh, there's Dan. Look at those. Angular. He's got the Angular pliers.
Angler pliers. David Rosenthal. David, good morning.
Dude, that is the babiest leopard I've ever seen, Ethan. That is cool.
Tiny. It deserves to go see where.
Mwah! I can put it back.
Good job.
Woo!
Hey, put him on my hook. I'll catch a hell of a little.
Dude, I thought you had a lizard fish. I was about to say that.
What do we got, Michael? A nice little perchy. Let's check it out. Really nice. All right, good job, buddy.
Take it.
We'll take it. We got all kinds of variety going on here, Mitchell.
Yep, I'm loving it. Michael's a fish player.
People are yelling and screaming. Is there something else going on here? I don't know. It's getting exciting down here, Mitchell.
You had nothing to do. You should have been here today.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, this is the party.
It's a party. Way too much fun.
All right, save some fish for me, Michael. Save some fish for me. My pelican friend.
Man, what do you got? A barred perch, it looks like. Let's see that little devil. Nice job, buddy. How many fish you got now?
2.
That's pretty good, if you ask me. Good job. You gonna let him go? All right, thank you. Good job. What do you got there?
Leopard shark.
That is beautiful. Let's check that out.
Dude,
That is
cool,
so
baby leopard.
beautiful.
That's the second one, so there could be a bunch of little pups out there.
I like that. Good job, Michael.
Go give him a
Nice
best.
one, huh?
Shark. Nice one, Mike. Shark kisser.
Woo! What do you got? Does it feel like a fish? Woo! Is there anybody you want to say hello to?
Hi, Paulina.
Paulina?
Yeah, good,
boy.
Paulina.
What do we got here? Whoa! Whoa, that's a nice one. Woo! Nice corbina, big one. Darn! Michael Limon. Ethan. Woo! That's a nice one, boys. Check that out. Angle R pliers.
Yeah.
That's a bean, man. Or a nice one, too.
Woo.
That's a beautiful fish.
I don't even know what. I don't know.
All right, let's let him go. Nice one. Oh, good job, buddy. Turn him sideways so I can see him. Well, if that'll work, let's get in here on that thing and just take a look at an absolutely beautiful fish. All right, let's let him go. Good job, Michael. Woo! Dan Lightfoot. Hey, what's wrong with that, man? Let's see that little thing here. That is so cool, man. Check that out. Beautiful. Hey, that's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Man, you hooked that little devil too, let me tell you. Oh, he's trying to kick me with his tail now. Give everybody a good look at this thing.
Like the smallest bass my mom's about 500.
All right, good job, Dan.
All right.
Woo! 4 halibut?
Yeah.
That's good. On what, Lucky Craft? Nice. I'd like to see one here this morning. Provecho. Con mucho gusto. All right, let's see that. Keep coming. Another leopard shark. We're killing the leopard sharks today.
Yeah.
All right.
You're going back.
Raining leopard sharks here. Kyler, good job, buddy. Let me see that little devil. What a cute little shark. Nice job. All right, I love it. But they're beautiful, aren't they?
Those are so cool. I almost
Man.
like the baby fish
We've been
more.
catching a ton of these things.
So cool looking. Now let's get Mama.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Hey, boys, what's going on here? More leopard sharks.
Little baby leopard.
I like it, man. Everybody's having way too much fun today. What you got, a big corbina? Why are you hand lining it?
It broke my line.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
And then you grabbed the line or what?
He caught it. He caught the line.
Oh, you snagged the line?
If he didn't snag it, it would have been out there.
Oh my God, so wait a minute. Your line broke, he snagged it, and then we get the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that is awesome. That's even a better story. That's a nice one.
Yeah, exactly.
Mitchell,
Yeah.
doesn't it look like he needs some help?
That's why I always ask Dad. right, we got it.
Let's see that thing, Dan.
That's a nice beam.
Without your hand being all over it. Yeah, now we can see that beautiful fish. Grandpa dropped it.
You got a bunch of line on. Woo! You get the closer any camera any closer, you can get slime on your camera.
Oh, I like it, man. I like it. All right, beautiful.
Very nice.
Woo!
Is that how you treat them?
Hey, Jocko.
Unbelievable story today. Man, you lost a big fish?
Yes, I did. Somebody snagged it for me.
Oh.
My line.
That is so cool. And then you end up with probably the biggest corbina of the day.
Yep, I think so far anyway.
Better lucky than good.
Oh, heck yeah.
Nice job, Dan. Oh, nice bend in the rod here. What do we got? A guitarfish. A prehistoric creature coming up on the beach. A beautiful guitarfish. Check that out, man. That is awesome. All right, good job, boys. That's a jackpot today, isn't it? You guys are killing it today. Those make some good fish tacos.
Really?
I've had them before, yeah. The tail section's good. Delicious. Let's see that thing, John.
How do you hold them?
That's good. Let me just get in there and show everybody this creature. Prehistoric looking, aren't they? All right, good job. You guys are killing it, you two.
I caught like a really, really big fish. Like it was actually big.
How big?
What was it?
I don't know. It broke off right before.
Did you see it?
So you
No,
didn't
no.
catch a big fish.
Couldn't get it in.
Really?
Yeah, he was trying to get it and he just couldn't.
It was that big?
Yeah, it was big. It was either a giant shovel nose. I think it might even been a horn shark.
It might have been the mom of all the sharks.
Could have been. We saw a little red and gray. That's what we saw. We
Dude.
couldn't
Not
get
a
it.
halibut?
No, I don't think so. Man, if it was a halibut, we would have got that buddy in. I would have jumped in.
Guess what we caught it on too? We caught it on lugboards and it broke here.
Hey, look at
Gramps to the
Man,
rescue.
he was pulling. Ethan fought that fish like a champ. Man.
Really?
He didn't hand it over nothing. He just looked over and his rod's bent over, taking line. All of a sudden he's getting line in.
Way to go, Ethan.
Getting it in, taking line. Oh man, Ethan.
For several hours today, these kids were not on their phones. They were out in nature enjoying the great outdoors on this great Friedman Adventures surf fishing event. We certainly hope you can make the next one.